Shayad, it would seem like every single fan of yours is very concerned about your single status. You've been linked with everyone from Sania Mirza and Amrita Rao to Priyanka Chopra.
What do you want to know?
I don't know. Do you find it odd that everyone just wants to hook you up?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों को बड़ी जल्दी है कि यार ये बड़ा स्वीट सा लड़का है, इसको किसी लड़की के साथ इसकी शादी वादी करा के इसको सेटल कर दो. But I'm in no hurry, man. I'm really in no hurry. I guess when love has to happen, it'll happen.
Why don't you just put everyone out of their misery and tell them the name of your girlfriend? I mean, why this sudden secrecy?
Maybe at some stage when I have reached that point of comfort, I would talk about my personal life. I wouldn't really make an effort to hide it, but it just, I had a really public breakup, and it can really, it can really come in the way of your normal everyday life, and it becomes too large to kind of manage. And so I kind of became really private, and I'm going to stay that way, definitely. Having said that, like I said, अगर कोई होगा, कोई अच्छी सी लड़की प्यारी सी मेरी लाइफ में आएगी और मुझे उससे प्यार व्यार हो जाएगा.
So you're pretending that you're single now?
Well, if you're saying pretending, then there's nothing more I can say about that. Yeah.
So let me ask you point blank then. Priyanka Chopra and you together?
No comment. Aren't you guys tired of asking me this question? Don't you get bored of this regular, inane answer that you get?
But don't you get bored of no comment?
Yeah, my life, my status, my thing. I don't need to talk about it.
Heard this story before. Kareena Kapoor was quoted in an interview as saying, I wish Shahid would move on. This was, of course, a response to an insinuation that you'd been planting stories about Saif and her. What was your reaction to that?
I don't have the time to do all that stuff, man, honestly. I'm pretty busy with the work that I'm doing. Really, genuinely, from my heart, wish her all the best in life. Hope she stops thinking about this kind of stuff and, just, be happy in the place that she is. I wish her happiness wherever she is. And I think she should focus on that. And yeah, she's doing some great work. She's a fine actress, and there's a lot to look forward to for her. And I honestly don't really choose to react to these kind of things because I'm really happy where I am here, and I'm pretty content. And I've never really spoken about this in the media ever since the day I broke up. Ever since the day we kind of went our own ways, I never spoke about it, and I would choose not to. Because I think that would be the right thing to do, and I would continue not reacting to this because it would only end up in this huge public, terrible. It'll just really get dirty and it'll not be nice. So I would continue not reacting to it because I think it's just better that way.
Were you surprised that someone who you knew so well and so closely was willing to believe the worst about you?
Well, nothing surprises me anymore. I always choose to remember somebody on the basis of my experiences with them. But I guess each person does what they need to do on their own, and that's their life, and those are their decisions.
Could you work with her again? People have great memories of Jab We Met.
Yeah, I mean, the politically correct answer would be, of course, if a film comes our way, kar lenge ye wo, it would be very, very difficult. But as an actor, I'm a professional. And if you ask me for a professional decision on this, I would say that if my director believes that that is the best person to cast in the film, I would not tell them not to. As simple as that.
Shayad, they say friends can be lovers. Can lovers be friends?
Bada mushkil hai yaar. It depends on so many things. It depends on how you parted. It depends on the circumstances which you're in. It depends on whether the people that you're with are comfortable with you being friends with somebody who you've already been with. So it's a difficult one. It's not impossible. And I would say kudos to somebody who can do that. But a difficult one. Easier to say yes than to actually go ahead and do it.
Well, all the best. Hoping you will continue to entertain us like you have all this while. Thank you so much.